In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect mic to BandLab. Before we jump in, make sure your microphone is physically connected to your computer and recognized by your system. If you're using an audio interface or any third-party software like virtual audio drivers, have those set up and selected as your default input so BandLab can see them. Using headphones helps prevent feedback and echo while you work. Open your browser and go to the BandLab website. On the home page, click Login. If you prefer signing in with Google, choose the Google option, select your account, and continue through the prompt. If your browser asks for permission to use the microphone at any point, be sure to allow it. BandLab needs that access to record audio. Once you're in, head to your library. Pick a project you want to work on. If you don't have one yet, that's totally fine. You can create a new project from here later in the process. Open the project and enter the studio. This is where you'll set up your mic for recording. Inside the studio, click Add Track. From the options that appear, choose Voice for Audio. This creates an audio track designed for vocals, podcasts, instruments, or any mic-recorded sound. On the left or top panel for that track, find the Input section. Open the Input dropdown to see all available devices connected to your computer. Select the specific microphone or interface you set up earlier. If you're using a USB mic, you'll usually see its name listed. If you're using an XLR mic through an audio interface, select the interface and, if available, the correct input channel. Choosing the exact device instead of a generic default input helps avoid routing issues. Now check your input level meter. Speak into the mic at a normal volume and watch the meter move. Aim for a healthy signal, generally in the green, occasionally touching yellow, but never solid red. If it's too hot or too quiet, adjust the gain on your mic or interface. You can also lower your system input level if needed. A pop filter and proper mic distance, roughly a hand's span away, will keep plosives under control. To confirm everything works, record a short test. Hit record, say a few lines, then stop and play it back. You should see a waveform on the track and hear your voice clearly. If you don't, recheck the selected input device, make sure the track isn't muted, and confirm mic permissions are allowed in your browser. That's it, your microphone is now connected and ready to go in BandLab.